There's a door from outside. Come on inside, see tools, tools, tools. There's where we had our meeting. There's what's kind of left over from lunch, was all put on there. All the iron, more iron, waiter workout center, welder, blowtorch, little fridge in the back with some beer. Check out these antique tools all along here for forging, making things straight out of metal. More to iron, all the nice little picks. Get one last look at the shop in here. That rack right there is just full of stuff. Oh yeah, let me film this right away. This stuff, railroad spikes, all this stuff. It's cool stuff. There's a mini tramble here. Let's see, oh yeah, this has got a nice little twist to it. That's what's a railroad spike. Definitely a spike. Let's go over here. All this stuff was made on an anvil. Can you believe that? All of this. On an anvil. I mean, look at that. That was made on an anvil. All of this. I mean, yeah. Well, go in here. In-house demonstrations. These are all tongs. All tongs. Apron. There's a hammer. All tongs, all the hammers. See all these hammers here. More tools down here and in here. There's his anvil. There's his forge. You see, got a lot more tools on the wall. See all that? See how he's got the power set up for his hammer over here? See all that? And you got another hammer right here, which is right now is propped up by a piece of wood. And this big sucker right here, I forget what he said that thing was for, but wow. I mean, that's how big it is. Look at me compared to me. Wow, it's almost as tall as I am. More hammers. I forget what he called that. Another anvil. This is a nice one because it's got that nice little shelf right there. Tools, tools, tools. Look at all those lanterns up there. This is a cool shop. There's another smaller version of that thing. There's a gas forge. Suckers right here, you put your metal inside here, it flames out, you bring it out, hammer it out. Out there's an anvil with a vise right on the side. That's a funky looking anvil. So is that. So is that. Got some grinding wheels over here, belt sanders for knives or swords. More tools. More extra belts over there. Yeah. This is a shop. If you can't find the tool in here, you're in trouble. Just take a look at all these bells up here. These are all handmade. So was that. All handmade. Rocky Forge Blacksmith Guild here, just outside of West Point, Indiana. It's a nice place. A lot of stuff in here. As a matter of fact, that's an English wheel. Don't ever get your finger caught in there, you'll crush it. More tools, more stuff, more tools. More tools, more stuff. A lot more hammers, wooden hammers, metal hammers. This is forge stuff. Tinsmith. Abe the Tinsmith. I don't remember what that they said about that. Go to copper work right here. Rollers, cutters, woodworking, artwork, more hammers. Surprise, surprise. Check out that toolbox and that one. All handmade here. Bender. Look at this weird anvil-like thing. Look at all this stuff in here. That weathervane was made here. And he's making this. All this for a cemetery. I forget what that was back there. That thing right there is completely full of hammers. Well, gotta go. This is the Rocky Forge Blacksmith Guild. Signing off. Bye-bye, everyone.